Hey you guys, and welcome back. We are going to be so confusing with holidays today. No, just kidding. So first of all, I'm wearing a bold lip today and I kind of love it. It's like making me take years and years back from when I used to do my makeup, and I kind of love it. Anyway, Sydney has her little Halloween party at school today, and I've already been getting pictures. I just dropped her off not even that long ago. I'm already getting pictures. They changed them to their costumes, and they already had cookies at 9 a.m. like living the life. You know, when you were a kid, if you had like just anything, even if you didn't have holiday parties in your school, like just holiday parties at home or whatever, it's just the best thing ever. So I'm so happy for her. She's been looking forward to this forever. It is after Halloween. They had postponed it. But anyway, so that is going on today. She's super stoked to be at school and celebrate and have fun in her little costume. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking down, I didn't decorate for fall really. You guys probably already know. But I only have like 3 pumpkins out. But I'm going to be like taking the pumpkins down and kind of getting organized. I want to go through Sydney's bookshelves and comb through them, take any Halloween books down, put maybe some holiday ones up, and just we've accrued, because I'm sure you guys know, I talk about this all the time, when Sydney goes into storage and we'll grab like her baby books and baby toys and things. And so I want, now that she's in school, or since she's in school today, I want to go through all of her books, because her bookshelves are just out of control right now, and put all the baby books in storage again. So I'm gonna do that and do some picking up and whatnot today. So I just got the coolest subscription box in for Sydney. It's by Literati, and it's a book subscription box for kids. You guys know how much I love books, educational, reading to Sydney. I've been reading to her since she was just a brand new newborn, actually since she was in my belly when I was pregnant. Love this idea so much. I have partnered with Literati in today's video, and I also have a link in the description box below for 25% off your first subscription with Literati. You guys, I love them so much.
Literati is a book subscription box for kids that chooses the best books for your child's reading level.
The best part about them is you can go through the books that they sent you and the materials that they sent you and pick and choose what you want to keep. So whatever you don't want to keep, you can just send back, and they'll send you new stuff. So they did partner with the Met in this month's box. My book from the Met is Lost in the Museum, a seek and find adventure in the Met. 7-year-old Stevie is lost in the Metropolitan Museum of Art. Can you help her find her way out and back to her family? I absolutely love seek and find books like this. It's educational as well. She's going to explore different galleries, learn about some of the rarest, most beautiful objects in the museum's collection, and how mythological creatures you can find and things like that. So I can't wait for Sydney to go through this book and read it with her and help her discover all of the like artifacts and things that they want her to find in this book. Absolutely adorable. So this is my book from the Met. Again, they did partner with Literati in this month's box. I also have, so cute. Not Norman, a goldfish story. We have Make Your Mark Gallery, a coloring book-ish. So she's gonna be able to like draw in it and make her own art. How cute is that concept? Love that so much. We have You're the Hero Jungle Adventure. And we also have The World Around Me. They of course tailor the box to your child's interest and age and whatnot. So I can't wait to pick Sydney up and have her go through all of these books and read them with her, and then have her like draw in them and just do all of the different activities and get her mind going. So thank you so much, Literati, for sponsoring today's video. Again, you guys, I have a 25% off discount code and link in the description box if you guys are interested. It's an absolute amazing way to get your children to, broaden their horizons, learn, explore, use their imagination, and I just love literature for books. So again, the best subscription box for kids. I love it so much. So I'm going to be putting these books on her shelves, clearing out her bookshelf, and getting rid of all of the baby books. Not getting rid of them, putting them in storage, but you know what I mean. Making room for more educational, age-appropriate books. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and put my Christmas music back on and take down all the pumpkins. I don't know, I'm sure it was because I didn't do Momtober this year, but I just wasn't feeling the Halloween spirit. I don't know, but I'm totally feeling the holiday spirit. Anyway, I won't throw Christmas in your face too much yet. I am filming a Christmas video Friday though. So Sydney's bookshelves are one of my favorite things in her playroom, again, because we are so obsessed with books. Well, I am and she is, well, I guess, yeah, both of us are. But as you can tell, she like took her baby books down. Just, you know, the little like baby books that I need to kind of swap out and get rid of. And also it's really fun for us and for Sydney to rotate books as well. We might not necessarily do the rotating of the toys very well, but I definitely rotate books. And yeah, actually, so she already went in and found some Christmas books. But yeah, we definitely do the rotating of the books often because it keeps her, you know, interested. And then of course, like as I'm reading books to her, I don't have to read the same thing over and over and over again. So helps my life, but I'm gonna go ahead and declutter these. This is how uninspired I was this year. Why did I even bother doing that? I just made myself a bagel. I'm gonna have bagel and cream cheese, finish my coffee, and I have a couple of dishes to put in the sink. So Sydney is the one who put these out. So these are gonna be going in storage. I just remembered I had like no fall decorations when I was decorating for fall, or when I went to go decorate. The only like fall-ish thing, the only fall-ish thing I had was, I bought that. In fact, instead of having fall decor on my entryway table, this is what I have. Tell me you're a mom of a preschooler without telling me you're a mom of a preschooler. Anyway, trying to keep those germs a bit at bay. This is out of control. Don't mind that. I'll figure that out soon. And I'm just gonna spray all of the doorknobs. Sydney's actually been doing really well as far as illnesses go, knock on wood. She has caught like everything under the sun, but her body, besides the second cold she had, that was rough. Like when we went to Disney, honestly, guys, I didn't say anything, but her cold was like kicking her butt. So that's why she slept, the first couple of days she slept like really hard in the stroller. But anyway, every other illness situation that she's had so far, she's handled like a champ. Her body has just taken care of it. So that tells me that like her immune system is working and we're doing really well. Like I'm trying to sanitize things as soon as, you know, I get her home from school. I'm like sanitizing her backpack, washing hands, putting her in the bathtub. So we are, yes, getting germs and building immune system, but also like easing our way into it and having it not just wreak havoc, and washing hands and all that. I have embraced the last couple of colds. Well, actually I've only gotten 2, so I've gotten 2. I have embraced like this last cold that she got. I've just said, you know, I know it's a cold, so I'm just gonna embrace it and build up my immune system too. Anyway, here I am like just sanitizing spray. So I have been just going around like spraying the doorknobs and like remotes and whatnot, just here and there to make sure that we're staying sort of clean. So now that I've sanitized some doorknobs and whatnot, I have to take this stack of books up to storage. So these are all the ones that I'm just gonna put in bins, and it's crazy because her bookshelves are still full. It's not crazy. These actually hold quite a lot. I know it doesn't look it, but they hold a lot of books, and she does have a bin of books upstairs as well. I was gonna do that today, but I just can't wrap my head around how I'm gonna do Sydney's bedroom. There's that wall that I still need to paint, and I was gonna paint it, and I was gonna paint it white, and then I've second guessed myself, so I've stopped. But I do have bookshelves that I'm gonna put in Sydney's bedroom, instead of having her books in her room in a basket. I'm gonna put them on shelves, but I'm gonna go ahead and pop these into storage, and then I think I'm gonna go grab chicken for dinner. I have just a little bit of time here before I have to pick up Sydney, and for dinner tonight I want to make, I saw on Pinterest, what is it, chicken corn chowder or something? I'm sorry, I have the shivers. Like a chicken corn chowder, and it looks very easy, it looks delicious, a nice like thick soup sounds good for dinner. I have pretty much all of the ingredients. I need a little bit more corn, and I want to buy a rotisserie chicken because I don't want to deal with cooking regular chicken. I just like rotisserie. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna go do. Pop over to the grocery store super quick to get corn and chicken, and then that will be a nice, yummy, cozy fall dinner tonight. You guys, I wish I could share, but the pictures that I'm receiving from her teachers are just so cute. They did like bobbing for donuts. They dressed up in their costume. They did little trick-or-treating around their classroom and made their own like trick-or-treating bags, and just having so much fun. And I just got a message from her teacher. It's like nap time right now, or quiet time for Sydney. She's the only kid who doesn't nap still. That she's had an amazing day so far, and she's just so excited, and she was so excited to share her costume with the teachers and whatnot. So anyway, that has been adorable and just warms my heart, and I've been like just non-stop staring at the pictures like a crazy person. It makes me so happy that she's thriving and doing well. You guys, guess what? Also, when I went to go pick her up from school on Monday, she did not want to come home with me. She was not done playing with her friends, and that was a first. Usually she runs right to me, and whoa, I'm like red, weird colored. But yeah, usually she runs to me and is so excited to see me and come home, and Monday was the first day that she was like, nah, I don't want to be home yet. All right, little Mrs. Home, how was your day? Your Halloween party? I got a donut. Her teacher said she might be on a little sugar rush.
She had, what did you have? You had a donut, 2 cookies, right? Yeah.
But no rice cakes.
And yeah, now you're gonna have your popcorn cakes, rice cakes, whatever there are. Watch it.
I can't open it. I can't open it.
Why, you wanna show me? Cindy, one of Cindy's favorite things to do is when we get home, she shows me how much she ate. But I'm not expecting all of it to be gone because I actually did pretty good. But because they had so many treats. All right, so you want these?
Mommy, the teacher said you cannot eat chips. The teacher said these are chips.
Yeah, she didn't know what they were, but I assume it's because she knew that these were packed for your snack and it was lunchtime and she wanted you to eat like lunch, right? I had to get rid of the lipstick. It was just, my lips were so dry. So, nice to have chapstick on. Anyway, Sydney is having a little snack, watching a little TV, and I'm gonna make dinner. It's already almost 4:30. Time is going by so fast. So, I did go to Hannaford. I grabbed potatoes because I didn't really know. I had just a couple of little ones left. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the potatoes, onion. So I'm just gonna go based on the ingredients and kind of wing it. So I'm gonna do some garlic, yellow onion with some olive oil in a pot. You can totally make this in the crock pot, I'm assuming too, but I'm just gonna make a fast one in a pot. And then add my potatoes, corn, broth, spices and seasonings, and then just kind of let everything simmer and come together. So I'm just gonna wing it and I hope it comes out good. Okay, so the soup has been boiling enough so that the potatoes are cooked through, and now I'm gonna go ahead and serve it. I know it does not look cute, but it tastes really good. I already taste tested it. I'm gonna top it with some of this. I have some thick cut cheddar cheese and then some chives on top and call it a meal. Okay, this is actually really delicious. It's not as heavy, obviously, as a normal chowder. Like I said, I know it doesn't look like much, but it's actually really good. You like it a lot?
Yeah.
So Sydney chose to read the Lost in the Museum book by the Met this evening. She loves like seek and find books, and this one's really cute because you're following Stevie around in the museum who's lost her family, but you're looking for clues that her little brother dropped around the museum. Again, I do have a 25% off discount if you click the link in my description box below if you guys want to sign up for Literati book subscription service. Highly recommend them. Absolutely love books. They're educational. That's how Sydney learned how to talk and just learn her vast vocabulary. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And also, if you try the chicken corn chowder, let me know in the comments down below. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.